Alright, DNR, this is the Island Spirit 400. Never seen this before. What do you think about that, DNR? It's pretty nice. It's got a 9.8, whatever that means, motor. Highfield. Massachusetts DNR. Eastham. Is that near you, dude? Spray Cat? Is that you? Maybe that's DNR. Here's Doylestown, Pennsylvania. Boholias. Looks pretty nice. I'm still thinking about that Massachusetts one. Is this 1 o'clock? That's why I said 1 o'clock on that previous video. No, it's 1:30. 1:30. So the next one is a 1:30 on the Alliance. Only if you tip the crew. It's like Jordo says, Peters don't tip. Unless he tips into the ocean here.